Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And we're on day 26 and our prompt is movement. So I have got these images of these ladies doing exercises, and I found this in my collage stack when I was going through it, and this has such a sense of movement here. And so I know it's big for my page, but I think I'm going to put it down and then just trim around it. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing good. I certainly can't complain. Let's see here how I want to do this. I'm thinking that I would kind of tuck her in there like that, and her maybe like that. And then we could do these ladies down here. I just thought that would be kind of cool. So I've already inked everything, so let me get to gluing down. So I think I want to keep his little face there, and I'm just going to kind of go. See how doesn't look the same from the back. And go this way. And then I'll just there we go. I will glue down as I need to on the rest. So now I want to just clip off the excess so I kind of get more of an idea of what I have. This has been very cold, but we're supposed to get up in the 60s next week, and I am ready for it. Of course, then all of our daffodils will start blooming early, and then we'll get another cold snap and they'll be gone. But I am ready for springtime. I just cannot. I used to love cold weather, but not anymore. Okay, that looks cute. Still need to there we go. I'll keep that paper there so the glare. All right, so now I want her kind of standing there. I think I can go ahead and glue this one down. And this one. And I will have her kind of standing on that leaf maybe, or let's see where I want her. Yeah, have this one down here. So let me, probably could have just went ahead and glued it all down. So let me get these. It's the only thing about when you do collage, you just don't know what you're going to be doing. Okay. My fingers are starting to get stiff. sticky. And have her like that. That's cute. Now these, I could kind of tuck. Maybe have her come. Yeah, I like it. All right. And let me find pen. So I do want to kind of get some definition for them. That helps. Cute. And these ladies. Oops, I need to glue this down better. All right. Well, that's movement. And this one I am going to do thought about adding these butterflies, but I really think it's going to be too much. And there's just really not enough space. I like the color though. Maybe if I... Let's see, cut this out. I don't know, I do kind of like that. Oops, I cut the wrong side. Duh. Maybe something like that. Where it looks like it's coming out from behind. I like it. I'm not even going to worry about inking it. I don't think it really needs it. And I will, as I said, add a little bit of gold splatters. I like it. And I will add down here my date. So we have day 26 done. Movement. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Meg's channel. And be sure and check out Junk Journal January to see what everyone else will make. We've only got one more week. So until next time, bye y'all.